Hi, Carrie here at Aquatic Garden Decor, talking about water gardening. Here at our store, we like to achieve clear water and balanced ponds naturally with water plants. We don't use any filtration here at Aquatic Garden Decor. We just have the water plants. You have a combination of submerged plants and plants that shade the surface from excess sunlight, and you can have clear water. Naturally, the plants do the work for you, making it very simple. There are so many different types of water plants that you can put in your pond. With water lilies, we offer over 30 different varieties. Hardy lilies come back year after year. Tropical lilies that do give you some extra vivid colors with purples and blue in the flowers. We also have floating plants, really unique looks to add some surface coverage to your pond and block out that excess sun, all helping to achieve the balance in the pond and the clear water that everybody is looking for. One common question that we are asked here at the store is, I want a water garden, where do I put it in my yard? And we'll suggest put your water garden where you are going to spend the most time and enjoy it most. The fun thing about a water garden compared to a pondless waterfall is you have fish in there, water plants in there, things are always changing. It's different every day. So it's great to have it near where you're going to enjoy that most. One truly magnificent addition to your water garden is a lotus. We offer many varieties of hardy lotus, and look at how beautiful the water looks as it falls on the lotus leaves. You may be wondering, what do I do with all of my water plants in the winter? The vast majority of the water plants that we offer here are hardy plants, which means they stay in your pond outside year-round, which also makes that very easy. Don't need to worry about taking them out, storing them anywhere, or rebuying them year after year. It's a nice investment, a hardy plant, and it comes back every year. Check out the resources section of our website for more information.